Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to the hunt for today. How everybody doing? We got SLDB, SRM, SOBR, EFOI as the top gainers and the unicorn for today. We've got a bit of accumulation zone here for this one, guys. We might have a breakout for SLDB. I'm gonna check SLDB here if we got some news. Okay, good morning, everybody. Let's see if we got something jumping right now. SLDB is still number one. After that, HCTI. I don't like the chart for HCTI that much. That's why I didn't keep it on the list here. However, SLDB looking great. Yeah, SLDB way better than the other one, Richie. Good morning, Sally. Good morning. Dexter, good morning. Thank you, Dexter. Yeah, we have a good rest. Now we're ready to hunt again. Sally, are you ready to grab some profit? Let's see. Grab. Yeah, jumping 13%. Are we getting any earnings lately? Yeah, the earnings coming up after 2 days from now, so we got an early pump for grab before the earnings. It look interesting here. Yeah, last earnings we got nice jump of 14%. Now testing a resistance. So grab looking interesting, guys, for a breakout here from the 570. Yeah, so grab have earnings coming up after 2 days. So it look interesting for a breakout from the 570 here. We have a gap to fill around the 517. So grab, I might put it on this list to check it later before the earnings, if we're still holding. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, support the channel. We got a long weekend. Monday, market was closed. However, today we got INTC pulling back to fill the gap. We discussed SMCI and Riot and mini stocks before. SMCI, guys, testing the $50 right now. SMCI looking pretty strong, guys. 7% for today, breaking out before even the market open and testing a new level of resistance around the 51.40. So SMCI is the strongest for today, guys. Is testing, yes, the resistance at the moment around the 51.40, yes. SMCI still strong. I will see if we're gonna have a pullback. Yeah, we might have a pullback here around the 48.90 and the other pullback around the 45. I'm gonna put alert here just in case if we pull back. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So let's see what's going on here. If we got something. KWE. I think I checked that one early. KWE. Double check if it's good. Yeah, I put it on the other list, I think. Yes, it's here. Yeah, this one, I was watching it, but yeah, it pulled back and now it's reversing up as well. Yeah, it look really interesting right now, guys. It's better than EFOI. Yeah, KWE looking really interesting right now, guys. So I'm gonna put it maybe even first, jumping 50%. So it's about to have a squeeze here. So SLDB and KWE looking pretty good for today, Hunt. But we don't have it, guys. Unfortunately, Key or KWE is not available in Europe. So I'm gonna take it from the list. Unfortunately, is not available. I'm gonna keep this here. IPHA have FDA approval, but it pulled back really quick, so I took it from the list. Coding face, how you doing, man? Yeah, it's been a while. Hopefully you're doing all right, man. So SLDB, guys, is the best candidate for today as a unicorn. Watch out, everybody. SLDB, one of the top stocks for today. Looking great technically. We got some news for it. We got positive initial clinical data from next generation therapy candidate of STGT 203. So guys, this one have a good positive initial clinical trial for their therapy, gene therapy. Yes, SGT. That's why jumping. Not bad news. This is really great news for this one. We have a strong buy from the analyst around the $16. So double, almost or over double the price, the current price right now. So yeah, this one buy signs. We got the pipeline here. Yeah, they have SGT0. This one, guys, the drug that have a good positive phase 2 trial, have a really good result. After that, if it went to phase 3 and have a good result, it might get in production. And as you can see here, this one focusing on microdystrophin. is a synthetic form that was designed because of natural full size. Hmm. Hmm. So it is a gene that focus on the protein in the muscle of the body. So this is really great. They have a lot of drugs here on phase 2 right now. They have 3. Anyway, so this is the stock that we're watching. The first one. The second one is SRM. Have a good news as well. Jumped last Friday and almost 100%, and now jumped 25%. So SRM, it is on the top list as well. Who doing all right? SMCI 7%. INTC is pulling back. Tesla doing all right. Nvidia, yeah, still looking good. 2% up, gapping up with the SMCI, hitting a strong resistance right now. We might have a pullback at the market open for Nvidia. If we didn't, it means we're gonna have a jump of 4% for today, at least 4%. Now doing really great. We'll see if we're gonna hold the gap that we did today over the 139. Will be pretty good. Let's see if how much we could pull back here. If we pull back, or there, 7%. So I'm watching for this dip. If we got dip, how much? Yeah, 4% dip. Wow, DKNG is still jumping, guys. Still jumping pretty good in the pre-market. We have another target here. Bitcoin, cryptos are still pulling back. We got a bit of pullback for cryptos. Bitcoin the same, below the 100K again. We've established a new level of resistance for Bitcoin now, around yeah, 100,000 again. A pivot that we should break. SLDB, guys, is still, this one will be at the market open. Now the market is a bit slow because everybody waiting for the market open to confirm the buyers levels and of course exit zone. Good morning, Todd. How you doing, man? ACTI reversing. As I said, brother, I don't like that trend, even if it's reverse. It is tricky to play. KWE really good, but we don't have it in Europe, guys. This one could be number one, but we don't have it. SLDB, it is pulling back. We might pull back here, guys, around the $5. If we got the major big seller, we might have a huge pullback for this stock. So yeah, around the 519. So we have a dip, guys, for SLDB. We might encounter a big dip. Yeah, around this level. Yeah, if we held, it would be a good buying point here. If we held, what you think about SMCI, guys? Are we gonna have a nice jump for today? What you think about SMCI? Did a really good move, guys, since this breakout. Look at that. We did almost 75%. The only day that we got a huge pullback for SMCI was here around the earnings. Yes, was the best entry for SMCI, for my opinion. The other best entry was here on Friday once the market opened. Wow, SLDB, guys, is preparing. I think there's a big buyer will come, but it's really hard to tell right now, guys. It's really hard to tell until the market open to confirm that the target or the direction. Yeah, as we said, guys, this one is number one. So I don't want to, I don't want to look at it because I know it was perfect, man. It was perfect here, but is not available, guys, in Europe and my broker. So yeah, this one was number one. We kept it here, number one, because I saw that there is a huge chance for a jump. But I took it from the list, as we said, guys, is not available on our broker in Europe. The reason is because a penny stock, pretty volatile and risky. But man, this is FOMO right now. I feel FOMO because, yeah, I saw it, I bought it first, then I checked, it's not there. So KWE is like the forbidden fruit for us. You can watch it, but you can touch it. SLDB guys started to reverse. AIFF. Be careful, guys. This one have a resistance coming up around the 1090. So it's not reversing yet. SLDB started to reverse from our support right now, 670. We have this triangle, guys. We should break at the market open here in order to have a squeeze up. So yeah, we might test here at the market open, then we go down. So the trick is to see if we hold over the 670 and break this trend. So far so good for SLDB. Dexter, feeding FOMO. Yeah, SMCI we already discussed it back before the earnings. Yeah, it was around 40, 46. Oh, even before that, we discussed it here before the earnings. We suggest to enter around the 31. Best entry for SMCI was around the 31.13. It was the best dip. We discussed this, guys, in 11th of February before the market close, before the earnings for SMCI. And SMCI right now is going to Falahala toward the 50. I feel your pain, man. Dexter, I feel your pain. I know. Best dip you bought around the earnings, yeah, 33. The other best entry was here, brother. You could have entered again around this level after we broke the 43 on Friday. Now we are testing a strong resistance for SMCI, guys. I might watch for the dip for SMCI for today. Okay, guys, we got 2 minutes left. Let us bring our disclaimer for today. Remember, everybody, our live streaming is a bit delayed, and we are not a financial advisor. So always do your due diligence, hunters, before you put your money on the line. And of course, let the price come to you and never run after the price. Try to put this in front of your face so you never forget. We're all a human being, we forget sometime. So guys, hit the like, subscribe, and of course join us on our Discord and Patreon if you want to have early access, and of course entry for a major bottom or breakout for many stocks. Last trade that we did for swing trade was SMCI. It was really great. We suggest to buy at the bottom around the 31.13. And after that we reverse, and now hitting the other profit taken around the 49, guys. This was around the 11th of February. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to have early access to those dips and jumps for those stocks, because it come only once. So don't feel FOMO. There's always opportunity, guys. If you miss SMCI, there's another opportunity coming your way. So let's get right to it. Guys, let's hit the 30 or 50 likes before the market open. And of course, let's have a fun day. And of course, happy birthday for everybody living in the United States. because yeah, Monday was Washington birthday yesterday. So let's get right to it. Let's have a party for today. Party, making money. That's what we are here for. So let's get right to it, guys. New day, a new play. Okay, let's see. Hood. Let's see which one will break first. INTC, Tesla pulling back, right? SoFi, Hood. Wow, SMCI jumping, guys. Unusual buyers right now for SMCI. SLDB pulling back. Kiwi still jumping. ACTI. This one I don't like anymore. ADTX the same. GameStop pulling back. CNSB no good. Lucid not for today. Lunar jumping. SLDB, guys, is pulling back. No good here. It's a bit risky play right now. It want to pull back toward the $5. SOBR, it is the one right now to watch. It's a bit strong. We might get hotted up, guys, for this one. SOBR, sober, could be the one. Hood flushing down. SMCI jumping. SoFi looking strong, guys. Yeah, SoFi looking great. Let's see. Uber jumping, AVGO pulling back, Palantir jumping again, 3%. Nvidia the same. Hood, it is pulling back. So I'm gonna put it down a bit. SMCI, INTC, Tesla, SoFi. Yeah, SoFi could be good for today. If it's held over the 16. Yeah, SMCI, guys, had or have a support at the moment over the 51.44. This will confirm that we got a big buyer for SMCI if we held this current support. Yeah, INTC jumping as well. What a nice reversal here, man. Perfect reversal from the 2442. Yeah, the top ones right now is SMCI, INTC, and SoFi for a swing trade. SLDB, it is a bit weaker. SRM, the same. SOBR is the strongest right now. EFOI, no good. Kiwi is really the strongest for today. Got halted, I think. Man, this one I'm gonna get really teased. Look at that. It's really perfect. Boom, one bounce, two bounce, three bounce, and jumped. Hit the first profit taken and still jumping. Guys, this one we're not trading it because it's not available in Europe. Okay. And we said this one is number one. We took it from the list because we don't have it. This one is a tease, guys. This one, this stock is a stripper. You can look, but you can touch. This is a dangerous one. And it's still jumping, you see. SOBR is best for now. SOBR, it might get us some gains if we broke the 145 at the moment. For the swing trade, SMCI is still number one. INTC pulling back. SoFi could be good as well. But man, SMCI, I didn't expect this jump, man. We have a huge jump. Yeah, SMCI is the strongest for today. Yeah, SMCI, we got FOMO, guys. We got a huge FOMO for SMCI for today. SMCI, we got the target now around the 55.39. But you know what, guys? It's getting really dangerous here. Look at this. Look at this huge jump. And of course, we broke a major resistance without any hesitation. So this is a good sign, for my opinion, for SMCI. But now we should have a little pullback around the 56. Yeah, this is the level that we might go to around the 56 before a huge pullback. Yeah, today it was really good here for entry. For my opinion, it was perfect entry. Yeah, I'm gonna put alert right now here, just below the 50. Wow, so far is still good. INTC the same, guys. Wow, INTC is still jumping 8%. Holy moly. Check BSLK. SMCI jumping, INTC jumping, SoFi pulling back a bit. SRM, SLD, SOBR nothing. Kiwi jumping. BSLK. No good, man. Good afternoon, John. Good afternoon. HCTI, no good, man. No good. The best stock for today that we don't have, guys, is KWE. For my opinion, is the strongest. SOBR second. SLDB is yeah, it's still trending down from this trend, you see. Trying to break it once, two, three, and still going down. So we got a big seller. Wow, Kiwi guys jumping. I think this one will gonna get halted really soon. Tested the $1.04, the second profit taken. Now we might get shorted, guys. This is the resistance. There's a huge chance for pullback right now. SMCI, yeah, is mooning. Holy moly. Yeah, the same with INTC. SMCI, guys, is going moon landing. SoFi is pulling back big time here. This is not normal, man. Not normal for SMCI. Jumping, there's no pullback. The whole market is pulling back, especially for Riot. This is the first time that we have this kind of jump on Friday, of course. Friday, we got a huge jump of 8%. And here we have a huge jump of 8%. So, guys, there's a huge chance for a pullback now. Yeah, the pullback is coming. And the realistic pullback should be around the 53. We have a pullback now for SOBR, guys. Pullback. Of course, we halted for KWE. KWE got halted, guys. JG, we got CYCU. Those two got halted as well. Yeah, this one got shorted down, and this one is not even there. Yeah, SRM tried to break the 105. SLDB trying to test the trend line for a breakout. Yeah, we got the fake out, guys, for mini stocks. Is now is pulling back. SRM trying to break. Yeah, Richie, Jonathan. Yeah, of course you should take profit, man. Always take profit. KWE is overextended, guys. We might have haltation down now. It is getting risky. SRM, nice jump. Yeah, nice jump. But now it's testing the resistance around the 105. So make sure to take a bit of profit here because we might get rejected. As we said, the second support and bottom should be over the 70 cents. Next target, if we broke the 105, is the 119. for SRM. So SRM should be right now number one. KWE, it is number one, but we don't have it, so we don't trade it. We never traded this one. AVGO, it's pulling back big. NVIDIA pull back. DKNG. INTC is pulling back a bit, but still strong. SLDB. No good, man. SLDB, I think now is halted down. SLDB, it is halted down, guys. Look at that. It got shorted here in the pre-market and there at the market open. Short added their position around the 7. Now we expect a dip here, guys, around the 520 and the 470. It could be a really juicy dip here. So I don't suggest for entry until we test this level. Yeah, we have to wait, man. We have to wait. And the resistance now confirmed. Just right there, around the 717. So yeah, we expect another dip. And Kiwi almost hit our target, guys, around the 130. We hit the 126 instead. So yeah, this one now we should have a major dip down. Correction. It is overextended, so I don't suggest holding here, guys. It's a bit dangerous. But yeah, it was the best trade for today. Nicola is moving. Let us check Nicola. Holy moly. 26%. It held our first support at 52. But man, Nicola, I don't like the trend for now. The trend is really dangerous. So we might get shorted at any second now. Yeah. There is a great resistance coming up here around the 74. So Nicola could be good, yes, if we broke the orange line. And the target is just below the $1. But yeah, it look interesting now to watch. So if I want to break the resistance now, well, I already checked Nicola early, just a few seconds ago. We talked about SLDB, guys, as well. It's too dangerous right now for entry because we didn't break the trend. It's better to wait for the dip. Lunar did really great today after breaking the 20. Lucid is moving as well. Wow. So EV market doing all right today. Lucid, Nicola, HCTI, no good, guys. EFOI, no good as well. Yeah, KWE, time for a huge pullback. SMCI levels. SMCI, it is too dangerous right now, man. 56 is profit taking a resistance. Support is the 50, 58. And the bottom right now this week should be around the 45. Yeah, the target right now we got near to it for today is the 56. INTC doing pretty good to do a new high with SoFi. Yeah, INTC, we need the 26 for today. Would be great if we went toward a $26. Yeah, Jason, I was playing the downside as well. But today we have an unusual buyer at the market open. Still positive from the last earnings and the last fundamental news with Nvidia. So still there is a fresh blood. SOBR, guys, is no good right now. It's too dangerous, guys. It's breaking the trend. I'm gonna take it from the list. SLDB, I will wait for the dip. KWE, guys, hit a major resistance. That's why we put him back. It was overextended. So we only have SRM for a chance for a squeeze up. Eat rice, ALLO. Or yeah, hello, 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 hello. Hola. Let's see. 35%. The trend is not my best friend for this one, man. Look at that. It's heavily shorted in the big picture. I don't trust this one, man. The reason that we jumping because we got earnings after 1 week. Yeah, we got some anticipation mode for this one. Before the earnings, we might test the $3.63. So this is the current resistance. But yeah, I don't suggest playing this one during the earnings because the earnings is still in negative for this stock. Current support rise for this one before the earnings and even after the earnings is the 197. If we held here, we're gonna have the 360 at least. Yeah, we missing another 30%. Not bad for 1 week gain. If we have a good buyer and good anticipation to the earnings. Well, we already discussed Nicola a few minutes ago, man, about the levels. GBUX. KWE, it is dangerous, man. was perfect before the market opened to buy here. Now it is tricky. Already hit 2 profit taken for KWE. And plus we don't have it, guys. We don't have it on our broker. So that's why we don't trade it and we don't watch it closely. SRM still waiting for this one to jump. The seller is still around the 105 for this one. Guys, don't forget to hit the like. We need 50 likes. Come on, guys. 50,000 likes for today. We got a long weekend this week, guys. Long weekend. No trading for this weekend because, yeah. Yeah, nice hunt, man. Nice hunt, Jason. You are welcome, Eat Rice. You are welcome, man. Guys, if you're wondering how you can send me a message like Jason and all other hunters, you can head toward our Patreon and of course pick the Elite Hunter here in order to have access to me to ask about trend and entry zones for many stocks. And of course have access to our Discord. If you're wondering how to send me private message or direct message, and of course get requested stocks on our Discord. The link in comment section below. For now, we watch it. SRM and SLDB. SLDB is pulling back. Cryptos, we got a bit red market for cryptos. The same for Riot and crypto stocks is pulling back because Bitcoin is below the 100K. If we go to coin market cap, we see that we are on the fear. We are on the fear index here. There's no greed, but we are not on the red zone. So if we're gonna go on the red zone, extreme fear, Bitcoin should go below the 90K. If we went below the 90K, guys, we're gonna have a huge fear for Bitcoin. Extreme fear will be triggered for Bitcoin. For now, we're still just on the fear zone. Not too much fear. And you know, if we have fear, there's opportunity. Fear is good. Fear is good. SoFi have a bit of struggle to break this level of resistance, the 1690, brother. INTC looking still good. SoFi, yes, have a bit of struggle around the 16. I don't like this reaction, man. This pullback is not pretty. Yeah, this pullback is not pretty. We have to break the 1693. INTC looking good. And SoFi is still looking great. If we broke the 1694 would be even better. But for now, yeah, nothing. Uh, anyway, hit the like, guys. We need 50 likes for today. SRM trying again, guys. SRM trying again to break. What's going on, everybody? Let's see. Is SLDB reversing SLDB? No, not yet, man. Not yet. Not rider. As we said, this is the reversal zone. We're still a bit far. Even if we reverse before this level of support, I would never enter. It's really risky, man. Patience, patience, man. Night Rider, you remind me of me when I ask my mom about food, if it's cooked, and always tell her, is it ready yet? And she tell me, still, wait. I waited for 2 hours and a half to eat and learn my lesson in this moment. If you want to eat a really good cooked meal, you have to wait. Wait. Otherwise, you're gonna eat. Some people like it, raw meat or not cooked. For me, I like overcooked or really well done. SRM still trying. Yeah, SRM have a bit of the difficulties around the 105. Yeah, man. Not just cooking, but everything. But cooking is kind of the best example here. That's why a lot of people don't like to cook because take a bit of time and patience and of course learning because you can't be a good cook unless you screw up so many times in order to learn which one will be best ingredients to add. Let's see right now if we got something cooking. GCL Grand Contract Centrex Limited. We got STAI, PRFX. Let's double check those stocks if they are good. What we've got here. Not completely bad. Not completely bad for GCL. Yeah, we got a target for it around the 570. So this one could be a good candidate for today. So I'm not rolling this out from the equation. STAI, what a nice jump, guys. Holy moly. This one is really good. Where this one been hiding? Yeah, the breakout happened at the market open. Guys, this one, no one told me about this. No one told me about this perfect trade, man. STAI, guys, what a crazy jump. Just at the market open, we jumped. Let's see how much we jumped here. We jumped almost 77%. Holy smoke. This one's crazy good. So STI is pretty good. PRFX. Oh man, this one is not bad, but it's not that beautiful like STEI. Not that beautiful, but it's still looking great. Okay. GCL could be good, yeah. STI should be number one with SRM. SLDB getting near the bottom. So yeah, we got a few stocks right now that look interesting. Yeah, the trick here for cooking is to get outside the recipe. So if the recipe told you to put 2 spoon of something, or I don't know, like to have a liter of water, you should add or subscribe, like, or take off a bit of those recipes and add just one thing at a time, so you know which one was the right thing to add. Because if you add a lot of things and take a lot of things, you don't know which one will it was the right one. So yeah, it's kind of chemistry, you know. Oh man, yeah, INTC man did great here. SMCI pulling back up. Hood not today, Tesla not today, right, especially not today. Palantir giving away the gains. The same for DKNG. So yeah, today is SMCI, Intel, and SoFi. SoFi, we have a breakout here. Not bad for SoFi, guys. Looking really great to give us more gain for today. Wow, yeah. We got a new support here for Intel. I'm gonna put support just right there. Yeah, Intel have a target around the 2758 now, and current support is over the 25, and the 2440 should be the bottom. Yeah, 10%, really good jump for Intel, but I expect a huge pullback anytime soon. SoFi looking great. 5%, still there's a chance for another 2% at least. STAI started to reverse. Whoa, GCL, what a nice jump, guys. GCL, holy moly. Are you kidding me, man? GCL doing crazy good. What a huge jump, man. And I think it's about to get halted here. Holy moly, GCI, guys. What a nice trade for this one. Holy smoke. GCI, guys, hit our target perfectly here around the 660. GCI, it is the one right now, guys, but it's pulling back because it's almost hit our major resistance. But yeah, we saw this one earlier, guys. We said it's really perfect, and it was. GCL, guys, we have the breakout here from the 528. What a nice trade. And now is about to get test or get shorted around the 668. So make sure to take profit there for this one. Yeah, around the 630. Yeah, it's really good, guys. GCL number one right now with STAI. Those the number one stock, especially GCL. Holy smoke. This one looking great now. Yeah, we got 7% on it and now it's pulling back. Yeah, there's a big seller, guys. This one is a bit dangerous because here's the seller. If we broke this seller, we might have a huge pull back up. Otherwise, will be it for GCL. The move already happened. Yeah, we have a huge pullback now. Okay, guys. Let us wrap up our live streaming right now. Was a huge day for today. We've got Nicola jumping. Holy moly. Nicola, 43% and still jumping. Yeah, we have a breakout from our trend here. More little trend for Nicola. So we're gonna discuss Nicola later on, guys, because it looked really good at the moment. So we're gonna do a major update later on, guys. Watch out, a huge update on our Discord and Patreon to discuss the market because the market is still open right now. Remember, we're gonna have a huge update later on. So all the updates we're gonna do for the unicorn here, as you can see here, MGOL, we did AIFF, mini stocks, BBAI, TNXB. So all the day trade, we're gonna put them here on the unicorn hunt. And of course, the swing trade is here, like what we did for SMCI. So if you want to buy the dip or a huge target for any stock, join us, guys, on our Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow, of course, around 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And before that, on our Discord and Patreon around 7 a.m. Eastern Time. Early hunts, preparation for the market before the opening time. So guys, thank you for watching and see